What's going on, everyone? So we just pulled up to First Form Cars and Coffee, and there's a lot here, so hopefully should be a pretty good show. And yeah, I'll go show you all what's here. This thing is crazy. These headlights are crazy. That thing is sick. This thing's fun. This thing. This thing's crazy looking. Never seen this before. That thing is awesome. How wide it is. And the color is beautiful too. This beautiful car. That thing is awesome. Sitting here by this crazy looking thing. Got a little Lambo lineup. Cool little Technica, purple. And then this beautiful car. Con, but I love the color. The color's fun. And then the McLaren, awesome. Two Bugattis just pulled up. It's crazy. So Veyron and full carbon Chiron just pulled up. This is the owner of First Form. Both of his cars. So is this. The whole crowd of people just came over. That was some kind of hard to get some clips, but so what are the Bugattis? Friends taking pictures, but dude, this Veyron is just, this thing is crazy. I love it. It looks so good. I like it so much more than the Chiron. And then here's the Chiron. Yeah. Let me know in the comments, Veyron with Chiron. These things are just crazy, dude. Love to see it. Got another Technica coming in. Good looking car. Pretty good sounding too. Not bad. Just came over here. Nice little slam super. Super clean wheels, clean belt. Looks pretty good. Right next to the GT. Nice little, I think S40 coming in. I don't know. Car right behind me. Right side drive. I think definitely drifts. That thing's sick. And then the R34. That thing's crazy. Seeing that around here, that thing is sick. Little red GTR Pullman. That Mercedes still trying to get out. Whole line of cars just came through. M2. And then another McLaren just pulled in down there. So. Finally some more Corvettes. Little Corvette lineup, but I love this thing. These things are awesome, dude. Love the C6s. So it is raining, but parked next to the Bugattis. The 720S. Gotta be second best looking McLaren to me after the 765 LT. So but I mean, super sick car also. And then right next to it, Lamborghini St. Louis. Don't know why they brought this out, but it's pretty awesome. Little orange type guy. Orange type guy, super clean. I don't know how to feel about the technicals, but this Urus also super sick color. But I don't know if I'm too big for the technicals, but we're gonna do a loop, see if anything new has come. But little C6 just pulled in, sounds good. And then Camaro behind it also sounds pretty good. But I just love the C6, those things are so sick. And then right next to them, crazy looking M4, that thing's awesome. M4 comp. I don't know why that thing, it just looks so good compared to others. And then M3 too, super cool, but I love this M4, it's awesome. Right behind the M4, little Gallardo. It says the O1, but not too much. Just got up to the Sylvia. This thing's fitment is crazy. GTR and the R34. The R34 is awesome. Camber on the front wheels. I think it's sick looking. Crazy to see an R35 and an R34 next to each other. And then, of course, this Sylvia. I think it's set up for drifting by the way it looks, but crazy cool car here. And of course, this thing is sick. The stance on this, I don't know which one I like better, this one or the white one over there. I'm not moving out of his way. Dude, this thing is crazy though. It's like, it's actually touching the ground. The tires look so sick too. Yeah, this thing's awesome. Little Technica. Not bad. A lot of Technicas here. I've never seen so many for real. But pretty cool. Oh, wait, that Mercedes is new, so unfortunately. Dude, this thing is crazy. I love this car. I think it's awesome. And then Jaguar and then Mustang. So there's so much stuff at the back that we didn't know about, but 2 GTRs and these things are awesome. The spec on this one I love with the red accents and then the gold rims. It's crazy. And then this other one just has, I love the wheels on this. They just look so good, nice and wide. Here, I'll go back here. I think something's done to this car, dude, because, I mean, fat back tires, no wing, you can just tell it moves like crazy. And then another GTR leaving also. The rain is really starting to pick up, so I think a lot of people are heading out, but these things are sick. So the GTR I thought it was leaving just came and pulled up in front of it needed to, and so this lineup is just awesome. So sick, especially on the ramp. It's fire. So we got a little tent over here with some cars. Thrift cars. I mean, this thing's awesome setup. Mustang though, I've seen it spin before and it's pretty nice. It sounds good, but it's awesome to see it like actually drifting. I have to hopefully they'll do some this summer that I can go to and post, but these cars are just awesome. Little lineup here, GTR, and then sick Corvette, but looks like there's a Ferrari, the new Pro, whatever it's called, so we'll go see. I think that's what it is, but I don't know. Oh, this thing's awesome. Owner hopping in. That thing is sick. So I was wrong about the Ferrari, but Ferrari Pininfarina, yeah, Pininfarina. Owner's in the car. He might yell. give us a rev or some, but it does sound good. Yeah, that thing's awesome. Dude, this thing's awesome. I've seen this multiple times, but it sounds crazy. Love the orange accents, always say that, but pretty sick. And then, of course, another Technica. It's just only Technicas today, bro, I'm telling you. And then the Urus is pretty cool too. The purple is super clean, must say. And then, dude, there's actually a lot of stuff in this line. Dude, this thing is crazy. Huge back tire. I know it just sounds insane. And the red headlight. Menacing looking. That thing's awesome. And then over here we have M2 looks like it's about to leave. Parked next to the Shelby. This Aston Martin. Aston Martin is awesome. Leaving. Super. Oh, just got my finger in it. That thing is super cool though. Aston Martins are so underrated. And then of course, purple M4. My gosh, that thing's crazy. M4 competition. That thing's awesome. What's up? Alright, bro. Alright. And then fat back tires. This thing roars. Crazy fast too. That thing's awesome. And then Park Across, Hellcat, Hawk Slicks. Got all this stuff leaving. So much leaving. That Hellcat's awesome now. Loud music. And then cool boosted Mustang over there. That thing sounds good. But yeah, we're gonna go watch them all leave now, I guess, and see if we can find where they're leaving at. But yep. So yeah, stuff is leaving over there. Super just left. M2 sounds pretty good. And then Z06 also. Run, bro, I don't care, run. Yeah, if the Bugattis left, I'm gonna be pretty disappointed, I must say, but hoping they're still there. I like this M4. Oh my god. Yeah, we're gonna go sit over there. Everything leaving. This is awesome. The longest way possible. Tesla with a GoPro. Porsche leaving. Tesla with a GoPro is kind of crazy. Or not GoPro. Yeah, GoPro. Mercedes going that way. Mustang. Another Mustang. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Sounded good. Sideways. Yeah, he is not keeping control for the life though. Sounded pretty good. See this Corvette get on it a little bit. Looks like we got GTRs leaving too. M3. Sylvia. Oh, this looks flyable. Artura, I did not see that earlier. And then GTR's leaving also. It's fire. A Cannon. It's gonna set. Little rev, I guess. So we're about to leave, raining. Just figured out what this is. Temerario. Low-key never heard of it. I'm pretty sure it's like one of the newest ones, so. But I don't know, it just kind of looks interesting to me. I don't know. Still pretty cool though.